Hello everyone and welcome to Simplified Triple C. I am myself Antra and I am your trainer. So let's start and take a next step. So we are studying about the introduction to computer, where we reach at the point of the concept of hardware in computer, that we are going to study about what is hardware and what are the examples that comes under the category of hardware. So let's start. First, we understand what is hardware. A computer hardware is the collection of all the parts of the computer you can physically touch. Means the part or the component that you can see and you can touch, as well as you touch and feel them. They are the hardware. These are the hardwares. All it can be any part of any system, any component of the computer system. There are many components, and also we can understand that by physical component we can say it is physically touched. That's why physical component of computer that contains circuit boards. Means you whenever you see any circuit board in any hardware or any computer component, you can say that this is the hardware. It consists of interconnected electronic devices. They are connected internally, and it controls the use of computer operations like input and output. For this we can take the example of hardwares like input for keyboard and output for monitor. They are connected internally to each other. We give the input to the keyboard and it shows on the monitor. So these also control the hardware means input output hardwares also control the operation of the computer. So we can take the examples like keyboard, mouse, CPU, circuits, motherboard. Motherboard is an best example for the circuit boards, and these are also the examples for the hardware like hard disk, desktop, printer, and the mic that we connected. For this we can take the many other examples like projectors that we connected to the computer. But all of them, the example of hardware means we can touch it by physically. We can physically touch them and feel them. So these all are the hardware components that comes under the concept of hardware. I hope you understand the hardware, what is hardware, and I have give the examples too. So if you like our video, you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube and Pinterest. Thank you.